This is the adventures. We got something that's just a little thing, but I guess we gotta go to the unboxing.
What is it gonna be?
This is hard. Okay. It's fine.
Yeah, don't poke it towards yourself.
And don't show the address. Nobody look at the address, which is right here, so don't look at that.
Yeah, use the cutting motion, don't push.
I am, but it's not letting me.
Let me see. I'll get the tape open. And you can open it. I won't look inside. And we'll see what it is.
Alright. Now let's get everything out. Something heavy is in here. Oh, I have an idea what it could be. No, it could be that.
I don't know what that is. Don't look. That's something they sent for free. I don't know why.
What is the
What does that look like?
sketch pad? What?
Stickers.
And what's this? More stickers?
Yeah. Show
This
everybody.
is all stickers?
Yeah, show everybody so they can see. I did sample.
These are two of the same, so.
I did sample stickers.
And
We have to
then
see which ones we like the best. Whoa, what is it a sticker of?
just my logo.
But nobody on your channel knows about your logo yet.
We made up a new logo because like we didn't have one really. Then why is it in white?
Well, that way you can put it over some of your RC bodies and stuff over different colors and it will show up, or even different things. So tell everybody about your logo. Can you show them? And we'll decide which stickers we like the best. What does it say?
Wait, actually this one shows it better.
That one I think turned out better, didn't it?
Yeah,
No,
from
that's
the
awesome.
last one because it's
So
cool.
we'll have stickers for people. We got little stickers. That is cool. What else has been going on? What's an update?
What do you mean? I forgot what it was.
Well, what have you been doing lately?
Making merch. Is that it?
This is our first merch.
Well, sticker
Look for
merch.
some giveaways if you see us at the track. We can give you some stickers. What do you think about that?
Well, if you ever see us anywhere, well, at any track.
Yep, I think they're cool. These are my favorite, these two. What are your favorites of the stickers?
This one and this one. But your
two.
exact favorites, too. This one will be easy to open because it's like you can get scissors and go.
That's just a quick update. The weather has been bad, hasn't it?
Yep.
And these stickers are brought to us by Sticker Mule. They're funny, aren't they?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
What's that?
I don't know. One of them fell out of the package and got stuck. Huh. That was awesome. All right. Well, maybe the weather will get better and we can get back to RC stuff. And we'll film some other things for everybody. What do you say to all of your viewers?
Bye.
Bye. We'll be back soon.